Guys, so today we're doing a few things. We're replacing the top panel. Got damaged here a little bit, as you can see, causing spacing over here. You won't see it right, so we're going to replace the top panel. And what we're also going to do, we're going to replace the bottom rubber and seal. It's good to do it every once in a while. It usually gets rotten away and eaten and flat. So as you can see, this driveway, it's kind of going downwards, so a lot of rain comes and it kind of makes this thing fill up with water. So it's always good to replace your bottom rollers every few years. We're also going to replace the rollers on the side. That's something that not a lot of people do, but it's a great thing to do, and makes the door roll smoother, because those, you know, from coming up and down, those will get kind of beat up. So that's what we're going to do today, and I'm gonna show you how it looks like, guys. So we are almost done. We took the panel that we're replacing off. As you can see, the damage that has been done to it, that was caused by the owner trying to use the door with the broken spring, and the opener pulled the door and kind of made that break. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna take off those inserts and put them in the new panel. Inserts as those decorative things in the windows. Most of our jobs is done. We replaced 2 bottom rubbers, 1 on each door, and also the rollers. Rollers are great things to replace. As you can see, we have a new bottom rubber compared to the old one, which was needed to be replaced. All set. As you can see, there's a little bit of a difference in the color because the bottom and the top panel is new. But it will even out with the time. We have new rollers, new silicone, and then that's it. We're all set. Thank you so much.